All right. The next one that I've got for y'all today is our colored Gymnocalycium. Okay, I got two of them, two gymnos, as you can see, and I'm going to be potting them into bonsai pots. Look, I actually drilled holes in these because there's little pits on the side. I drilled holes in them to make sure that they drain everywhere as fast as physically possible. Now, I don't know what to expect here when I open this up. I don't know what to expect in the bottom here. This is imported stock. So this was imported into New Zealand. So have no clue what it's going to be like. But all I know is that they look good. But let's see how the root systems are. I've heard that sometimes the root system is pretty shite abroad. They tend to pump them. Look, I hear a lot of things about these things. It's hard to know what is actually true and what is not. So let's let me just open it up. Okay, crush the roots a bit. As expected, the roots are very shallow and not huge, which is not entirely bad. Okay, the roots are not huge, but it tends to be still, hey look, it's obviously still functioning. So the key to this is this summer is hopefully it grows, it doesn't die. Hopefully it doesn't die. But look, anyway, look, I can see the roots are shallow. Let me just do that. The soil is actually from New Zealand. It's not from overseas. You're not allowed to bring soil from overseas. So that soil is from New Zealand. Because if you try to bring soil from overseas, the government is going to eat your ass in the worst possible way. So there we go. So look, first of all, I'm going to position it like this. But I want to get one of these pups and try to grow them. So let me see which one I can take out. I don't even know how to take that out. I mean, I don't even know how to take that out. I think I might have to, that one is tight. This one is kind of wanting to go. So do I cut it with a knife? I think I will, and I'm going to try and plant that into another pot. You know what, do I really care about taking that pup out? I mean maybe I can just plant it, you know, who cares? Like, why do I need to get that pup out? You know what, I'm just going to plant it. I don't want to shock the plant for no reason at all, except for some vanity project trying to multiply the plant, which I have no room for. So it's not like I give a shit. So, okay, so let me, so this very precarious. This is the problem with these plants. Very precariously placed. So you have to secure them quite well. very carefully. You don't want the pups to be look, maybe I'm overthinking it, but I don't want to have it loosen and then suddenly I have to repot it mid-season. So there we go. So look, very secure. Very secure underneath. No air bubbles. There we go. Now let's do the second one. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so the root systems aren't deep. Okay, may need more substrate, but let's see. I forgot to put some frickin' Osmocote. God damn it. There you go. That should be fine. A little bit of Osmocote there. Okay, let's see. How deep does this one go? I think this one is also similar. Yeah, look, listen. Very predictable. Very, very predictable. So there we go. That's actually good soil. That's actually good soil. It's actually very good soil. It is from New Zealand, I can tell as well. You can just tell that it's a New Zealand substrate. They obviously got it in, likely they got it in without roots or with roots, just yeah, look. Let's see. All right, let's transplant this. I mean, in hindsight, maybe I didn't need to repot this. Actually, now thinking about it, maybe I should have just left it as it was. But look, too late. Shit happens. Let's now I've got to make the best of this and Just trying to make the soil around it more compact, so it's more stable. Don't want it to be wobbly or anything like that. Okay, there we go. There we go. So look, to really there we go. So that's one. Looks nice. And then the second. So look, I'm not gonna take off the pup. I've decided I don't actually care for propagating another one. I don't have enough room, so why do I need to propagate the shit out of them? You know? And because of this importation, it crashed the price in the market as well. So people that used to breed them from seed, propagate them from seed, suddenly were faced with a problem where they were selling theirs more than... And look, and some people claim that, you know, the rootstock won't make it in New Zealand. Well, let's just give it a go. To get something this big here will be a few $100s. And then this person imported it, and you can buy it in retail stores for literally 50, 60 bucks. And now it's discounted too. So at the end of the day, look, listen, let's give it a whirl. It looks good. I'm going to put it in a good spot. Let's see how it goes.